What's up guys, Kalen Bryan here from Freedom Life Influencer, back at you with another video today. Wanna say hey? Wanna say hey? He's acting so weird.
Hi.
Okay, that's it. In this video guys, I want to share with you how you can master traffic. Okay, how you can master traffic to any offer, any affiliate marketing offer, or even if you're online business, whether you're drop shipping or whatnot. I'm going to show you how you can master traffic today. All right. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, guys. So traffic. Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, or if you're trying to make passive line on the internet, right? Trying to start your own internet marketing business, right? You need to know how to master traffic. Without traffic, you don't get eyes to your offer. And without eyes to your offer, you don't get sales. And without sales, you don't meet your financial goals, okay? You don't meet the goals that you want to accomplish at the end of the day, in the month, week, whatever year. So mastering traffic is key. Okay, so we're gonna hop into the computer real quickly, and I'm going to show you a resource that can help you master traffic. Like I'm telling you, it'll teach you step by step on the strategies that you can use, how to implement those strategies, how to be consistent with those strategies, paid and also free, right? And then basically it'll just show you how you can, ramp up your sales, right? And you can ramp up more traffic, because the more traffic, the more percentage that you'll get to go and opt into your offer. All right, so let's get into the computer. All right guys, so here we are in the computer. Okay, so traffic. So how can you master traffic? I want to share with you guys a new resource that I have taken advantage of, and it's in the 4% group with Vic Strizos. He's the founder of the 4% group. And it's a very solid group. Vic is very solid. He's very honest. He's very down to earth, and he's very, very relatable. Okay. So I like this guy. I mean, he's 100%. He's real. But internet traffic mastery, I picked this up because in my internet marketing business, I want to make sure that I'm mastering traffic. And internet traffic mastery really helps you and teaches you how you can do just that. Because like I said earlier, without mastering traffic, you cannot get the results that you want in your online business, or even in your retail business, or your brick and mortar business, because this also applies to that if you have that business model. Okay, within internet traffic mastery, if you want to sign up, the link is in the description, where you can sign up for internet traffic mastery and start getting it today. It is a trial where you have to pay for it, of course, but you get your money back within 15 days, I believe. Okay, but internet traffic mastery has multiple modules, 12 modules in it, and each module has multiple videos that goes over different strategies for applying traffic, or to mastering traffic. In module 1, it goes over the traffic rules, the strategy, the game plan. It basically outlines the basics of traffic one-on-one, basically, and the different levels of traffic that you have. So in each module, Vic has different training videos. Look, this video is an hour and 12 minutes. You have to spend time. If you want to learn something, you have to spend the time to learn it, right? I went to a 4-year college, and I spent hours, like 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours in a classroom, in one classroom learning one subject. So you have to put in the time to master something, right? So that's module 1, traffic rules, strategy, and game plan. Basically the overall overview of traffic one-on-one. If you don't know much about traffic, you need to watch that. And then he goes into the detailed, specific strategies that he has used and other people have used to create success in mastering traffic. So the first one is influencer traffic media. He goes over, has different modules on how you can utilize social media, free as well as paid, like Facebook ads, or reaching out to Snapchat and Instagram influencers, or Twitter influencers, or YouTube influencers, or Facebook influencers, those who already have a solid base audience or a solid followership. He teaches you how you can go and reach out to these guys and basically purchase
right? Purchase a post or purchase them for them to post something on their profiles or on their Instagram accounts or Snapchat, so that you can get instant traffic to your post, because these people that are following them already trust, already know them, and they're more likely to click on whatever they're promoting, right? You can do it that way, but you can also, with social media, use free advertising. Okay, so Vic shares that in here in module 2. So then you also have module 3. I like, for me, module 3 is really like instant traffic, targeted traffic, where you go out here, you have trafficking agencies, and you buy email buys and networks. You use some networks like Udemy to buy clicks, right? This is instant traffic. When I first utilized this method, I got 34 opt-ins through my funnel, right? That's 34 people on my email list that I continually email them day in and day out with free content or promote different products to them for free, right? So Udemy is a good traffic source, as well as any other traffic source that Vic goes over. So you can see that he has very in-depth and very detailed training, step-by-step, raw trainings for you. This is a valuable resource, something that I think you should take advantage of today if you want to master traffic. I'm telling you, you have to master traffic in order to succeed in this internet marketing space. Okay. Yeah. So he has, like I said, 12 modules. Each module has multiple videos, and nothing too much, but enough for you to master traffic. Okay. This is all. If you buy this course, or if you hop onto Internet Traffic Mastery, it will be all you need. You really don't need to hear anybody else in the internet marketing space talk about here, talk about that. Just focus on one program, one resource to help you get to where you want. Okay, so this is Internet Traffic Mastery. Like I said earlier, if you want to master traffic, if you want to take your business to the next level, you need to get this course. I'm telling you, I have it, and I have learned tons and tons, and I'm seeing good results from implementing the strategies that Vic has given here. Okay,
So guys, that was just a quick review on how you can master traffic, right? Using Internet Traffic Mastery within the 4% group with Vic Strizos. Now, like I said earlier, you have to master traffic. Traffic is key to any internet marketing online business space, as well as a brick and mortar space. If no one's walking through a store or walking by a store, you're not going to get no one going into it, right? So you need to master traffic, and Internet Traffic Mastery, or ITM, can really help you, or it will help you master it. Okay, check the link out in the description. It'll be below. Check it out if you would like to, and let me know what you think about it. Check it out and let me know in the comments what you think. All right, and if you like this video, like it, hit the thumbs up, okay, and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Peace.